In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to grow a theme page from scratch and how to generate solid passive income from it. Thank you guys for joining me for another video. Now, if you're new around here or new to the channel, I'm Ryan and I grow Instagram accounts. Yeah, I grow theme pages, all sorts of business accounts, that's my thing. And now I'm here to teach you guys about it and how you can do it as well. In this video, I'm not going to be selling you a course, none of that funky business. I'm not going to be doing that spammy guy who just promotes his course in every single video. I'm here to teach you and educate you about how to grow your Instagram. All I would like in return is for you to smash the like button and even suggest some videos down in the comments for me to make. I'm always looking for new ideas. Right, so now that's out the way, let's go right into the meat of this video. So first of all, you want to pick a niche. A niche on Instagram is pretty much just a topic that you post about. Say I have car pages, so cars would be the niche, but then I've gone into a subcategory, which would be cars, Japanese cars, then Nissan GTR. You'll get the best results if you go down into subcategories of your niche. This will work best. I also find picking a niche that you actually enjoy helps a lot because you won't get bored of posting to it in the long run. If you get bored of posting to your channel in the long run, you're just gonna get bored and not post really, aren't you? And therefore you will not grow your page and it will not work. You're just better starting a page you enjoy. So next, let's go ahead and talk about your profile and how to optimize it. So first of all, in the profile, you've got your bio. Your bio must consist of 4 lines, I would recommend, and each of them have the emoji, and then a line, and then a little sentence after, describe it. On the 4th line of your actual bio, I recommend a call to action. Call to action is pretty much you're asking your audience to do something, whether that's follow you, click the link in bio, or else. I recommend you actually optimize your whole profile. This would be better, otherwise you're just pushing people away. So next of all, in your actual profile, you want to optimize your profile picture. Your profile picture should simply be something really simple to understand. People can see it, people can understand it straight away. And it also needs to be about your niche. For example, my profile picture of my car account is here. I've had a little sort of edit going on here. So we've got the world as the Nissan GTR world, and we've got the Nissan GTR in the middle, and then the world behind it. It's sort of self-explanatory. People can understand what is going on by it. For your actual profile picture, I recommend using images and maybe some text as well, but it doesn't always have to have text. I would not recommend just doing text unless you're starting a brand. In the last week, you want to see which of their posts got the most likes. Every single post that did get the most likes, you want to save it to your camera roll. Or if you're on desktop, you can even add a Chrome extension to save it to and schedule to. Therefore, you can know and be secure and comfortable about the posts that you're posting and know that they can go viral if they've given the right treatment by your audience. You do not want to be posting content that isn't viral and people haven't engaged with previously. This is because it won't work in your account either. So yeah, every single post you get it from other accounts. Make sure to give them credit as well. Make sure it's done well on their pages. So next, let's talk stories. In terms of how many stories you should be posting, you should be posting roughly 1 per day. I suggest anywhere between 1 to 5 per day actually. What you should be posting onto your stories, you should be using some good story strategies such as polls, questions, and even hidden hashtags. So I'll give an example here of what that looks like. These are the story highlights and sort of story strategies that you should be going for. So next, let's briefly jump back to Reels. Reels are very, very overpowered. I said before that you should post your Reels at 4 PM and 6 PM. I just want to reiterate that again. So use the same way as you found your normal feed posts. With that viral technique, you need to go for and find viral content for your Reels. Reels are one of Instagram's newest features, so they will be promoting it a lot more than your other content. So make sure this content is up to scratch and your best content it can be. Now wait, have you guys smashed the like button yet for the YouTube algorithm? Please, please, please feel free to go down below and smash the like button. It really does help my channel out and makes my videos get seen by more people. Cheers guys. Now let's jump straight back into the video. So now let's actually talk about some sort of strategies you can go through to growing your account. Now we've got all the posting and sort of content set up in your profile, that's all good. Now let's actually start generating some traffic coming to your account as well. It's pretty much where you leave your 2 cents on 90 pieces of content per day. Although this is slightly outdated because Instagram do not let you take that many actions per day anymore. I suggest just doing 30 per day. So pretty much this is where you're gonna leave your 2 cents on 9 viral pieces of content for 10 different hashtags. But again, I would recommend doing it for 3 different hashtags and commenting on 10. Therefore, you're getting spread out in your audience a bit more, you're knowing your target audience, and therefore they'll come to your page. Pretty much you just have to go comment on these posts, engage with them, like them. Okay, so next let's talk about buying shoutouts, or you can shout out for shout out. This is a great way to grow your account and it won't actually cost you anything to do except if you purchase the shoutouts. If you're actually purchasing the shoutouts, I suggest you do it for a bigger page but get a good deal for it. Another great strategy to grow your account would be the follow strategy. It's simply where you go onto accounts that are bigger than you that are posted in the last half an hour. You see who has liked the content and you go ahead and follow 150 of these per day in increments of 75. I recommend you make sure the accounts aren't private just because it's easier to unfollow them after. And yeah, if you increment all 3 of those strategies together, you'll be getting good growth. So now if you're actually wondering how you make money from these accounts, this is your part. First of all, let's talk about selling shoutouts on your page. People will actually pay you to shout their accounts out because you've got a bigger audience than them. I do recommend not depending on this income because it can be quite inconsistent. People buying shout outs, you could get 5 in one day and then 0 the next. But the amount I charge for shout outs depending on your niche. So next off, let's go through courses. The best niches for selling courses would be fitness, motivation, and business, as people want to learn how to get fit and how to get wealthy. So therefore you can sell your audience a course on how to get fit and how to get wealthy. People will actually buy it as well. So next off, if these 2 didn't really tickle your fancy, then affiliate marketing might. Affiliate marketing is pretty much where you promote someone else's products and get a commission for it. Normally, I wouldn't go for any affiliate marketing thing unless it's above 20% commission. An alternative, but would be a much more harder alternative, would be dropshipping. You can create your own store on Shopify, market it through your Instagram account, and promote your store and get people to buy your products. You can actually get the products from AliExpress, which is a Chinese supplier, and you can sell them for more on your actual website. It's a great way to make money, but it can be a lot of effort if you don't know how to make websites, but Shopify does make this very easy. So yeah, if any of these did tickle your fancy, then I'd suggest you go through with it. So that is the end of the video, but I've just checked my analytics and only 5% of my viewers are actually subscribed. I don't want to be this guy, but please go down below and subscribe. It really does help my channel out. You can always unsubscribe from the channel if you think my content isn't as good as it should be. I'll do my best to provide you guys with value every single Sunday at 5 PM. And last but not least, please smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Feel free to check out my most recent YouTube video by staying to the end of this one. I'll see you there. Cheers.